He was Sinatra's right-hand man. He was there at CBGB's in '77, Sunset Strip in '81, and he's still going strong today. His name is Jack.
When Delhi Art Gallery was set up, it was pretty much like any other gallery, an opportunity, an entrepreneurial opportunity. But the space was very, there was a void in the space in terms of collating art of all kinds across different periods. Pretty much like a museum or a serious art institution, we have a complete research team, a research department and a documentation department. And instead of doing group shows without meaning, what we did was we decided to develop thematic elements throughout. So whether it's abstracts now or still life's future, whether it's landscapes or portraits, etc., we've been trying to discover the thematic genres that have existed and to give it a certain kind of perspective.
Even though this is a serigraph, I'm going for this because I don't know where else to buy, because you don't find too many other paintings or drawings of hers.
What I personally like about this Zarina Hashmi artwork is the composition of the serigraph and also how it's very simplistic.
Abstract paintings have got different, very personal feelings. You cannot sort of generalize it. You are seeing each and every individual artist in their own ambience, in their own thinking.
Well, wherein they offered me a painting for 1,000 rupees and I didn't buy it.
So, for an artist, this becomes an outing somewhere that your work is shown, you see how public reacts to it, what critics are saying, what the average layperson is saying. It's a beautiful moment for the artist. Now, unfortunately, in the past, we didn't have too many galleries, there wasn't too much exposure, there weren't too many books, documentation was very rare. So I think they would be delighted to see that their art has this great longevity far beyond their own